Want to know how to install Claude Code CLI on Windows using PowerShell? In this quick beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you how to install Claude Code CLI on Windows using PowerShell. Verify the installation, open your first Claude project folder, and log in with your Claude subscription account. First, open Windows Terminal or PowerShell. You can click the Start menu, type PowerShell, and open it. You do not need to be an expert. We're only going to copy and run one install command. Next, paste this command into PowerShell and press Enter. IRM https://claude.ai/install.ps1ix. This command downloads and runs the Claude Code installer for Windows. PowerShell may show installation progress. When it finishes, Claude Code should be installed on your computer. Next, verify the installation. After installation, let's confirm everything worked. In the same terminal, type Claude help. If Claude Code installed successfully, you should see a help menu with available Claude commands. If Windows does not recognize the command, close PowerShell, reopen it, and try again. Next, create a folder for your first Claude Code project. For example, you can create a folder called Claude My Project. This folder will hold the files Claude can help you understand, edit, improve, or build. You can create the folder in File Explorer or directly from the terminal. Next, open your project folder in the terminal. Once you're inside the folder, type Claude. This launches Claude Code CLI. Claude is now ready to help you work with the files inside that project folder. Choose a display settings. During first setup, Claude may ask you to choose preferences. You may see options like light mode or dark mode. Choose the display style that is most comfortable for you. Many developers prefer dark mode because it is easier on the eyes during longer coding sessions. Choose a login method. Next, Claude will ask how you want to log in. You may see options such as an Anthropic console account or a Claude account with subscription. Most regular Claude users choose Claude account with subscription. This connects Claude Code to your existing paid Claude account. Next, after selecting your login method, Claude may open a browser window. Sign in with your Claude account. If you do not already have an account, create one, choose the subscription plan that fits your needs, and complete the login process. Once authentication is complete, return to your terminal. Now you can start using Claude Code. Try a simple first prompt like, explain this project folder, or create a README file for this project, or help me understand what files are here. Claude Code can read your project structure, explain code, suggest changes, and help you build faster. Helpful safety reminder. Claude Code can help with project files, so always review changes before accepting them. Think of Claude as a powerful coding assistant. It can help you move faster, but you should still stay in control of your project. Finally, a closing summary. 1. You opened PowerShell. 2. You installed Claude Code with one command. 3. You verified it with Claude help. 4. You created a project folder. 5. Launched Claude Code. 6. You selected your display settings. 7. You logged in with your Claude subscription account. 8. You are now ready to start building with Claude directly from your Windows terminal. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and keep learning one step at a time. You got this.